In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily silence unknown callers on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off, open up Settings, then scroll down until you find the Phone, and then you can scroll down for a bit until you find Silence Unknown Callers, and if that feature turned off, you can just hit that button to enable it, and while this feature is enabled, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail and displayed on the recents list. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.